Welcome, amazing viewers, to a journey that's as unpredictable as it is heartwarming, the adventure of parenthood. Now, we've all seen those picture perfect photos of family moments on social media, but let's dive a little deeper. Today, we're peeling back the layers to explore the untold story, the impact of parenthood on the one relationship that often takes a back seat, and that's the relationship between partners. Buckle up because we're about to unveil the raw and real side of parenting that you won't find in the picture frames. This is not just a video, it's a heartfelt conversation about the love, resilience, and the unexpected twists that make the tapestry of family life. Stay tuned because we're about to embark on a journey that's as relatable as it gets. If you're visiting us for the first time, I am Dr. Taniesha Burke, your positive parenting coach, and welcome to our channel. Embarking on the journey of parenthood is a profound experience that shapes individuals and brings immense joy. However, it's essential to acknowledge that parenting can introduce challenges that may impact the relationship between partners. In this video, we'll explore 7 adverse effects of parenting on the parental relationship and provide practical strategies to repair and strengthen the bond between partners. As we go through the adverse effects of parenting on the relationship between partners, I encourage you to reflect on each of the points and consider whether your relationship with your partner or spouse has also experienced some negative impact from your focus on parenting and taking care of your little ones. The first impact is increased stress and fatigue. The demands of parenting, particularly in early years, often result in heightened stress and fatigue. Sleepless nights, constant attention to a child's needs, and the delicate balancing act of work and family responsibilities can strain both partners, potentially leading to increased tension in the relationship. The next impact is shifting priorities. Parenthood naturally brings about a shift in priorities. While focusing on the well-being of the child is crucial, it may inadvertently lead to neglecting the needs of the romantic relationship. Couples might find themselves with less quality time for each other, potentially impacting the emotional connection that was once a cornerstone of their partnership. Communication challenges may also arise. The myriad of responsibilities that come with parenting can sometimes hinder effective communication between partners. Misunderstandings, unmet expectations, and unexpressed needs may arise, contributing to feelings of frustration and resentment. Clear and open communication becomes essential, but can often be a challenge amidst the busyness of parenting. Diminished intimacy also may be present. The physical and emotional demands of parenthood can contribute to a decline in intimacy between partners. Exhaustion, changes in body image, and the daily hustle and bustle can lead to a sense of disconnection, leaving couples struggling to maintain a romantic closeness they once enjoyed. There may also be role strain and identity shift. Parenthood often brings about a shift in roles and identity. While adapting to the responsibilities of being a parent, individuals may grapple with changes in their self-perception and the dynamics of their relationship. This identity shift can sometimes lead to a feeling of uncertainty as partners navigate the challenges of balancing their roles as parents and maintaining a sense of self. Another impact is a lack of quality alone time. The constant demands of parenting can leave little room for personal time and individual pursuits. The lack of quality alone time may result in partners feeling a sense of loss of independence. Without opportunities for self-care and personal rejuvenation, individuals may experience increased stress and in turn strain on the relationship. The last adverse impact we will cover today is financial strain. Raising children come with significant financial responsibilities, potentially leading to strain and disagreements between partners. Discussions about budgeting, saving, and long-term financial planning may become stressors that impact the overall harmony of the relationship. Now that we've covered some of the adverse impacts of parenting on the romantic relationship between partners, you might find some of these adverse impacts in your own relationship. So the question you might ask is, how can we overcome these adverse impacts and reconnect romantically as a couple? The next half of the video, I will provide you with some tips on exactly what you can do to reconnect with your partner. My first recommendation is to prioritize open communication. Actively work on maintaining clear and open communication with your partner. So schedule regular check-ins to discuss feelings, concerns, and expectations. It's also important to regularly have a couples meeting to discuss the affairs of the family. Creating a safe space for dialogue helps to address any misunderstanding and ensure that you both feel heard and understood. Where possible, share responsibility equitably. Establish a balanced division of parenting responsibilities by taking into account each other's strengths and weaknesses. A shared workload fosters a sense of teamwork and prevents one person from feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or undervalued. Also, reignite intimacy with quality time. Despite the demands of parenting, prioritize quality time together. Schedule date nights, and if you want some tips on that, you can get our Rediscovering Our Love journal on Amazon that will provide you with some dating ideas. Engage in activities you both enjoy and find moments of physical closeness. Reconnecting on an emotional and physical level is essential for maintaining a strong bond. Also, it's good to create ritual connections. Establishing rituals of connections can be a powerful way to maintain intimacy and strengthen the emotional bond between partners. These rituals could be small daily practices or regular activities that bring joy and connection. It could be something as simple as sharing a cup of tea after the kids are asleep, taking a leisurely stroll together, or having a designated check-in time each day. By intentionally incorporating these rituals into your routine, you reinforce the importance of your relationship and create moments of connection that go beyond the demands of parenting. It's also necessary to create financial planning and unity. Approach financial discussions with transparency and unity. Develop a shared budget, set financial goals together, and discuss long-term plans. Working as a team in financial matters can alleviate strain and fosters a sense of shared responsibility. And my final recommendation is to seek support and professional guidance. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or the parenting communities you may be part of. Additionally, consider professional guidance through counseling or parenting classes. A supportive network and professional advice can provide valuable insights and coping strategies. Parenthood is a transformative journey that requires adaptability, resilience, and a commitment to the well-being of both the child and the parental relationship. By recognizing and addressing the adverse effects of parenting, couples can navigate these challenges together, ultimately emerging with a stronger, more connected partnership. Remember, the journey of parenthood is a shared adventure, and nurturing the love between partners is a vital component to building a thriving family. Now that you know some of the ways our relationship can be strained due to parenting and some tips that you can use to overcome them, we wish you the best in your parenting journey and reconnecting with your partner. If you need additional help in reconnecting, you can go on any Amazon platform and get our Rediscovering Our Love journal published by me, Dr. Taniesha Burke. In the journal, you get a chance to reconnect with your partner on a daily basis with the guided prompts that are provided. So we wish you many success in your parenting journey and also in maintaining a strong romantic connection with your partner. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye for now.